Hey guys, how are you? And how is everybody doing today? Today we'll have the BOC, Bank of Canada, and as you already know, the Bank of Canada is expected to increase its overnight rate from 2.50 to 3.25%, and this is seen as a high impact event. Arivalan, hello sir, hi, how are you? So this is seen as a high impact event, and most likely the volatility will be high, and I don't know, the US dollar could register sharp movements, gold could register sharp movements in the short term. So I will look for potential new setups and trades right now in the short term during this webinar, and I will personally I was looking at the potential trade. First of all, please read the disclaimer, guys. It's important to understand the risks, okay? First of all, okay, because do we have light trading, sir? Yeah. Gupta, hello sir. Yeah, hi, how are you? So risk disclaimer, it's important to understand the risks, and I will close this window. Don't forget to read it, and let's take a look. So BOC statement could bring high volatility and sharp movements. Overnight rate, as I've said, the BOC is expected to increase the overnight rate. IVPMI, and earlier today, better than expected Canadian trade balance, worse than expected maybe, but also better than expected compared to the last reporting period. US trade balance. So Hafadi, happy to be here. Yeah, I'm glad that you are here, and please guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me your time frame, please tell me what you are looking at, if you are a bull, a bear, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, your levels maybe, your time frame, yeah, and I will take a look on that market as well, okay? Because if you'll say only, I don't know, gold, I don't know, maybe I will look on gold on 15 minutes and you want on daily or something, okay? Because it's very, very important. Jack, hi, how are you? Godson, good day, sir. Hi, how are you guys? Okay, so dollar index. But first of all, let's start with gold. 11 minutes. I've said that here, guys. Personally, I was short. I was short from yesterday here on this sell-off. My position was in profit. I don't have the setup here, but my position was in profit, something like this, 101 around maybe this level, was in profit around 100 pips, 100 pips in profit. But unfortunately here the price reached and retested, registered only false breakdowns here below the downside line before actually, yeah, I was in bed. I didn't started my day when the price reached this level. It has rebounded, and maybe the price was around 1,695, and that's why personally I've managed my position. I've moved my stop loss at break even. For the VIP members, it was this trade. I'm gonna have you on gold to buy. Does this market affect gold? Yeah, of course it affects. It will have an impact on gold, okay? Because the BOC will have an impact on the US dollar, and will have an impact on US oil, on oil price. Also will have an impact on gold, silver. So that's why you have to be careful, guys. And I don't know. Fundamentally, maybe if the BOC will increase the rate as expected, as you already know, gold crashed after the Australian central bank increased the interest rate. So let's wait and see, because maybe. So cash rate, okay, from RBA, Reserve Bank of Australia on Tuesday, and you can see a strong downside movement. And also right now, maybe, I don't know, maybe gold could drop or something after the BOC, but I'm not sure. And right now, because anything could happen, okay, right now I don't have a setup to trade, so that's why no, I will not go long or short on gold. But it was a good decision to manage my position, even if my I don't know, maybe my stop loss, my initial stop loss was here above these levels or something, and my position it would have been good. But I've said that I will look for potential new shorts after this rebound in gold. So right now I'll wait. I don't have a setup to trade, and that's why I've said that maybe I will look on Euro USD, because I have a setup here. I have a setup Euro USD. Okay, the price is far above my potential entry, because I'm looking for potential new shorts, for potential new selling opportunities. But yeah, maybe I will send this. I have this setup, I have this trade, and maybe I will send it after the BOC. Okay, because if it stays here below this the immediate highs, 0.99 28 sideways movement, accumulation, consolidation, or false breakouts could signal a new sell-off. And that's why personally I still want to catch a potential Japanese a potential US dollar long, okay, because the dollar index is still bullish despite this sell-off. Okay, it could only retest the R1 before jumping higher or something. So yeah, I'm still bullish on the dollar index. So I just invested there, and I'm losing now at gold, so I have to wait to close position. Yeah, it's your position. I will not tell you what to do. Karam Jaber, Peter, a 5-minute chart, Australian dollar, US dollar. I've sold this instrument on the back of the Chinese data. Would be BOC affect Australian dollar? Yeah, of course, it will have an impact also on Australian dollar, US dollar, because I've said maybe it will, maybe, as I've said, guys. The BOC will have an impact on the US dollar, so of course it will affect Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, so 5-minute chart, I sold this instrument. So, but Peter, I don't know your levels. You sold where? Here or here or here? So please, guys, I will not answer to this kind of questions anymore, because if you are not telling me what you are looking at exactly, your levels, your time frame, and no, I will not answer anymore to these questions, because yeah, it's frustrating to take a look at the trading chart and because I don't know your levels. Okay, I want your levels. So if you don't tell me your levels, no. So gold. Right now it really is, only because the dollar index retreated here. But as I said, the bias remains bullish. Okay, and Kumar, I have seen that whenever any bank increases interest rate, then the currency dump very fast. It goes opposite. What happens? Okay, as I've told you guys, and that. When we have a high impact event like the BOC, yeah, in 5 minutes, 4 minutes, anything could happen. Okay, I've told you all the time that during a high impact event, most likely we'll have sharp movements in both directions. Okay, it's very important to understand also what's really happening technically. Okay, and I don't know if a currency pair is oversold, overbought. I don't know if we'll have a reversal or something. It's really important to understand what's really happening on a currency market technically. Okay, so yeah, Kumar, as a first maybe reaction, yeah, maybe. Okay, so I'm looking for potential US dollar longs, as I said. So let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back, guys. So the bias is bearish here on euro versus the US dollar. The bias is bearish. Strong support. Okay, so this key level 0.9899, and here support again 0.9877. Only test, retest, false breakdowns, and I don't know, only a value breakout here could signal a potential rebound, larger rebound in the short term. Salman Nation, what country you from? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So let's refresh the economic calendar. So in 2 minutes we'll have the BOC. Yeah. BOC. I have to take a look on something. Yeah, so maybe probably I will take this this trade, and before I will take this trade, let's take a look on this market, euro versus the Japanese yen. Yeah, unfortunately last night I've decided to manage my position after reaching this inside sliding line here on this temporary retreat. I've closed it. Actually, I've moved my stop loss at break even, so it has the position closed at break even, but it would have been a perfect trade. Please take a look here. Okay, but in the short term, and after the Japanese yen strong sell-off, I thought that maybe the Japanese yen will register a larger rebound, and that's why I thought that maybe the price will come back here to retest the R1, the medium line, and this scenario, it would have helped me to identify a better entry here in the short term on euro Japanese yen, but yeah, it has stayed near this inside sliding line, signaling strong upside pressure, and during the APEC session, Asian session, it has taken out this resistance, and it has continued to grow, and this position was really great. Please take a look here. This was for the VIP members yesterday, and I don't know, I really hope that someone is still long on this position. Okay, what's your prediction on the interest rate? So in less than 1 minute we'll have the overnight rate, 3.25% expected, as I've said, guys. And let's take a look. USD CAD, US dollar versus the Canadian dollar is still bullish, guys, in the short term, and let's wait. Yeah, as expected, 3.25%, in line with expectations. IVPMI better than expected, 60.9 points. Let's take a look. Yeah, US dollar Canadian dollar right now is in the red. Let's wait, because I've told you that technically, guys, I've talked about this market yesterday when the price was here, and I've said that this triangle or this down channel could bring an upside continuation. So I don't know, maybe in the short term I would like to see test retest before extending its growth. Yeah, I would like to see something like this. So first of all, maybe I will so euro USD. Here is Orlando's trade in Bitcoin in profit. Still really good. Okay, so euro US dollar. And I will share my trade with the VIP members, of course, because yeah, as you already know, personally I'm sharing my trades in the VIP group with the VIP members, because the VIP members are paying a subscription. So pending order. If you are a free member and if you are a free member, you will not have my my trade management. So yeah, I've placed my trade here, and yeah, something like 109 pips if the price moves in my direction. Yeah, so I will one moment, because I want to send the trade in the VIP group. Yeah. Let's invite more members. Sorry about that. So if you are a free member, you will not have my my levels here. So 1 minute, because I will share my trade into the VIP group. If you are a free member and if you want to get my levels, my trade management, please access the link posted right below this this video. Yeah, and let's take a look again on the dollar index. Yeah, it's still there. Yes, dollar, Canadian dollar. Euro, USD. Yeah, it has dropped a little, but as you already know. So and the TP 0. 1.5. Okay, so I've sent the trade in the VIP group, and if the price reaches my entry, I will come back with my trade management. as you already know, for the VIP members in the VIP group. Yeah, so I will try to answer to your questions right now. So I took a sell stop on gold that kindly confirm it is a good position for a one-time frame with the current market condition. So let's take a look on gold. So gold. So a sell stop on gold at 1,697. So you've placed a sell stop here, or are you short already? Yeah. Okay. What's gonna happen to gold? I don't know. It remains to see. Right now it's rallies. As I said earlier, I don't have a setup to trade. Personally, I've managed my position today in gold. I've closed my position. Actually, I've moved my stop loss at break even. My position closed at break even, and right now I'm waiting. I'm waiting maybe for new opportunities, maybe for a new short opportunity. I know. Okay, as long as it stays below this former high, below this key level, I will look for potential short opportunities, for selling opportunities. Can you tell us about the liquidity? Okay, you didn't post the levels yet in the Telegram group. I've posted the levels in the Telegram group. If you are a VIP member, I've sent the levels. Yeah. I've shared the levels in the VIP group, but you have to wait a little. Okay, I'm not a robot. I've sent and I've shared the levels, and yeah, I will come back with my trade management if the price reaches my entry. Okay, I'm long already on gold. Looking at it, it looks like double bottom. Double bottom here. This is your double bottom. Aneke, this is your double bottom here. Or what double bottom? And that's on 4 hour anyway. Or what double bottom? This double bottom? So if you are talking about a double bottom here on 1 hour, a potential double bottom, but unfortunately it has failed to reach these former lows. So I don't know. I don't think that we'll have a double bottom, but please take a look. It has failed to reach these former lows. Okay, and a double bottom. If you are talking about this double bottom here, this double bottom could be confirmed, I don't know, only above this level. So we'll have a double bottom only if the price makes a new higher high. Okay, and then we can measure maybe this double bottom and to project a target, something like this. So right now, personally, I don't see a double bottom. Okay, on 1 hour or on 4 hour. Okay, right now this could be only a temporary rebound, and as long as it stays below 1,707, I don't know, it could come back down. Of course, if the dollar index will come back higher, will resume its growth after retesting maybe the R1. Okay, and after its strong rally, upside movement, I don't know, temporary retreats, temporary drops are natural and expected. Okay, so that's why personally I placed a pending order in euro versus the US dollar. Of course, it remains to see if the price will hit my entry, and I don't know, maybe a new higher high could invalidate that pending order. But I will come back with my update into the VIP group. What's a good trade right now? I don't know. What questions? What question is this? as you already know, I'm not telling what to do. Okay, when I have something, I'll share it into the VIP group. Maybe, I don't know, from time to time to the free group, and it's up to you if you want to follow my trades. Right now, as I've said, I'm looking for potential new US dollar longs because the dollar index is bullish. This could be only a temporary drop, test retest before extending its growth, so that's why I want to catch potential upside continuation here. That's why I'm looking for US dollar longs. Okay, US dollar longs. Yeah, today I've had the potential silver, guys. So today I've had a potential setup here in silver, and I'm still looking for maybe for potential shorts as long as it stays below the downtrend line. Please take a look here, major downtrend line. Okay, temporary rebound, false breakout, sell off, maybe here test retests, and Kumar, I don't have time right now to explain liquidity, and I will maybe I will record trading tutorial maybe these days, and you will have it in the YouTube channel. Okay, so silver. Okay, and also you can visit our website if you want to read more educational materials or something. So let's take a look. Let's take a look on silver. So sell off, and after this amazing sell off, temporary rebound. It was natural. It was expected. 18.218. And the downtrend line as resistance levels. Maybe I will look for shorts also here. Okay, and if I'll but I would like to see here, I don't know, maybe test retest, false breakouts again, and then boom. Okay, a new sell-off, of course, if it stays below the resistance levels, and only if it makes a valid breakout here, it could signal a larger growth potential for their upside movement in the short term. But right now I'm looking only for shorts, for selling opportunities, as long as it stays below the downtrend line. Okay, silver, yeah. US oil, let's take a look, because I believe that, yeah, strong sell-off in US oil after the BOC. I told you that the BOC will have a big impact also on US oil, as you already know. Overnight rate 3.25%, 25% as expected. And right now strong sell-off here. Yeah, maybe we've missed something. Shit. Yeah, I've told you guys here, after failing to stabilize above these levels, I've told you that the US oil could drop. Someone said during my webinar, one of my previous webinars, that hey, please guys, don't sell US oil when the price was here. Okay, please take a look. Yeah, so I've said that after failing here to stabilize below these former highs, after failing to stabilize below these levels, and I've said that a new lower low could activate potential downside movement. Let's take a look on 4 hour. Yeah, strong rally, retreat, retest. Its failure to approach and reach 129.42. Sell off, test retests, breakdown, and here confirmation. Okay. Also, we had the key level here. The price registered an aggressive breakdown through 85.35. So the bias is bearish right now in US oil here on 4 hour, on 1 hour, on short term, and I don't know, maybe temporary rebounds could bring us new opportunities. Okay, temporary rebounds could bring us new selling opportunities. Okay. Because I don't know, US oil could drop within this pattern, within this channel. Temporary rebounds. I would like the price to come back to retest 85.35 before extending its sell-off. Yeah. US oil. US oil. What? Huge stop loss on you pending sell. Why it's huge? It's not huge. It's not huge. 72 pips. This is huge. It doesn't matter. It could be 1,000 pips if the trading position matters. Okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It could be 1,000 pips. If my risk is only 1%, it doesn't matter. Okay? Because you can lose 1% with 10 pips or with 1,000 pips. It doesn't matter. Yeah? Where should I place the stop loss? Because the price on Euro USD is higher. It's right below these former highs. Yeah, I'm hiding my stop loss above those highs. So it's up to you. If my trade doesn't make sense to you, please don't trade. Habib. Aniket. What second capital growth is a good strategy per month? Okay. Gold, yeah, is still there. I'll take a look on US equities as well. Bitcoin, guys, crashed. It has stayed near and on the 19,666 support, key support, downside obstacle, and aggressive breakdown. Right now, I don't know, maybe temporary rebounds could bring short opportunities. It has found maybe support here on these former lows, but temporary rebounds could bring maybe new short opportunities because it has failed to stay above this historical level, above these immediate lows. So the bias is bearish in Bitcoin. Also Ethereum, here rising wedge as a continuation pattern, up channel as a continuation pattern. After this sell-off, it could just retest, I don't know, maybe 1,560 before dropping or something. So of course, Marco, what's happening with US dollar versus the Japanese yen? It's crazy, yeah. It's crazy. It's really, really crazy. Shit. And yeah, I don't know, maybe we had an opportunity here and maybe here and here. But I've told you guys that here after breaking above 139.38, I've said that I would like to see rebound here before looking for potential new long. So it has rallied. Right now it has reached the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Please take a look here. 1, 2, and 3. Rally, retest, rally towards the medium line, retest here. And right now it has jumped towards the upper medium line. So after such an impressive rally, I would like to see a retreat, a correction before I will look for potential new longs. Okay, longs only because the dollar index is bullish. Yeah, so US dollar increased, appreciated and dominated the market only because the dollar index reached new highs. And the yen basket, the Japanese yen depreciated versus all its rivals because we had this amazing sell-off. Yeah, I talked about this scenario about new Japanese yen shorts, and unfortunately, yeah, I've managed my position last night in Euro Japanese yen because this it would have been really great. Please take a look here. Shit, yeah, I've missed an opportunity. Maybe here, but this it was a really good entry. And right now the price moves towards my my take profit, potential take profit, because my trade was closed at break even, 275 pips. It was actually my take profit was at 275 pips. Most likely the price will hit my take profit here on this setup. Okay, yeah, on this setup. Yeah, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, it has rallied. Yeah, I'm waiting only for retreats on the Japanese yen pairs before I will look for potential new longs. Yeah, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. British pound, also the Japanese yen. Marco, 25 years high, yeah. On the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, let's take a look on a higher time frame. Okay. So, key levels. Okay, key levels. Key levels, guys. Yeah, okay, I talked about this market. I've said that maybe I want to see a temporary retreat before I will look for new longs. Yeah, US 30. US 30 tries to rebound. No, I don't have a setup here right now. It tries to rebound only because the dollar index retreated, but US 500. Yeah, so strong sell-off right now on the dollar index. It seems that we have a strong sell-off on the dollar index. That's why the US dollar lost significant ground versus rivals. But here is R1. I'll wait to see how it will react here. Support. Gold rallies only because the DXY dropped it. Yeah. So personally, I didn't had a setup. Okay, I didn't had a setup, and I believe that you didn't had the setup, but only you've I don't know, you've wanted to go long, and yeah, the price right now it has rallied, but you didn't had a setup. You didn't had a setup right now. Maybe something like this. But personally, if I don't have a high probability setup, okay, and if I don't see something familiar, like a pattern, like I don't know, price action, like patterns or something, no, I don't want to trade. Yeah, and yeah, in my opinion, this could still be only a temporary rally. It remains to see. Okay, it remains to see. Yeah. Because here, if I should have, if I would have liked to go long here, I don't know, I should have placed my stop loss here or something. So no, I didn't have a setup to trade here in gold in the short term. I told you, unfortunately, my position, actually my position closed at break even. So right now, no, I'll stay away, and I will look for other setups. Okay, in gold, US dollar. Yeah, right now Euro USD jumped above my stop loss here without reaching my entry, but I'm still keeping right now the pending order, because if this will be only a false breakout above 0.9928, false breakout, test retest, a sell off, yeah, maybe I will only move my stop loss a little. Yeah, and yeah, I'm still keeping that pending order. Kumar, pound, massive sell off against many currencies. Where do you see a sell off? Personally, I see a rally here right now. Where do you see a sell off on pound? Yeah, maybe only against the euro. Yeah, because don't forget, guys, that tomorrow we'll have the ECB, the European Central Bank, is expected to increase also the interest rate tomorrow. So that's why you have to be careful also tomorrow. GBP CAD, it rallies right now. Rebound. Okay, it seems that you don't have questions. So I will end this webinar here. Yeah, and see you next time. I will come back with more trades in the VIP group, and with my trade management, of course, if the price reaches my entry in euro versus the US dollar. And yeah, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.